Hello guys, welcome back. In the last video we learned how we can use the make commands with the Lumen. So in this video we are going to learn how we can create a simple get API with the Lumen. So now let's get started. So first of all I am going to open the command prompt. Okay, so first of all, if you don't know how to stable the database, set up the database, then you have to just go with the .env file, and here just you have to set up the three things. First is username, second thing is database, and third thing is the password. Alright, after the setting that, you must have to sure that this detail is let's come back here, this detail is correct with the phpMyAdmin or MySQL. Okay, so just open the phpMyAdmin, then I'm going to put the passwords and username which is I used here, and this is my database name, we used it here. Alright, and we are going to use the users tables data for the get API. We will get the listing of the users. Alright, so now just come back here and now open the command prompt. So just clear all these things. So I'm going to make first of all a model which php artisan make model and the path. So my path is model folder, and user. Alright, then hit the enter and you can see that we got the folder and here is the file also. So now I'm going to import this inside my controller. For that I'm going to use use and this namespace. After that user. Alright, and it just return users all. That means it will return the select star from the table name. The table name is the users. So how will you catch it with the user table name? For that you can use simply $table equal users. Alright, but I have to use the protected. Alright, then it's fine. Okay, so but here we don't need to use this syntax. Why? Because when we make the model with the username, then it will automatically detect that the table name should be users. So the table name should be plural of the model, and if the name is something like user list, then we can use simply this one. Otherwise we don't need to put this. It will automatically select the users tables. Alright, so now you see that we return the data from here. Select star from the users is queries from here. Now the web.php will tell you that you can write here list, and the function name is also, you can write the list here. Now let's see, is it working fine or not? The command prompt, I just already write here list. Now you can see that we got the two data listed here. So let's try to manipulate something. So I'm going to put here Anil Sidhu. Alright, and hit again, then you will see that the result are here. So this is the basic get API in the Lumen. So in the next API we will use a response helper that will help you a lot to get the same response, like the status and the error code if we got the errors, and success code, and a proper format of the API. So Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you have any kind of query, you can ask me in the comment box. And if you have if you like this video, then you can share your views in the comment box also. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.